In this video, I'll show you a WhatsApp query handler agent. I'll give a brief demo of the working demo of this agent and then go through a brief explanation of how I built this in n8n. So let's dive into the video. So I have built this WhatsApp query handling agent. So what this query handling agent does is whenever there is a message in the query handling, it will trigger and it will go through the agent. The agent will the agent is actually connected to the Airtable node. If I show you the Airtable, there is a clothing store database I have set up in Airtable. So the products table has the product name, product photo, design, color, material, price, etc., inventory levels. All the column data are there of the products table. So whenever there is a query about any specific, let's say the price of the product, this will go through the agent. So if I just run the agent, it will perform. So let's say I execute the workflow. So now it will listen to incoming messages. So let's say give me the product, give me the price of which product. Let's say classic white tea, classic white tea. So if I just enter, then it will fetch the it will be triggered and go through the agent, and you will get the product details and then send back the message. So the price of the classic white tea is $19.99. So if I go to the classic white tea and go to the price, the price is $19.99. So this can actually get, so I asked for the price of the classic white tea. So the price is $19.99. So let's say I want to update the price of the product from 19.99 to 24.99. So if I just ask, I want to update the price of classic white tea to 24.99. Let's give it, and now sorry, I have to execute the workflow again, and let's just do it again. I think it will work. Let's just copy this message, copy and paste again. So now it will go through the agent, it will update the product price. So as you can see, the price of the classic white tea has been updated to $24.99. So if I go to the classic white tea and if I just refresh, the classic white tea price is now $24.99. So this WhatsApp query handling agent can get product details and also create or update product information from the database. So this is how this WhatsApp query handling agent can fetch product details and create or update product information from a database using an agent. I'll go through a brief explanation of how this agent works. So the first trigger, or the trigger node, which is when there is a query. So when there is a trigger, this is basically a webhook that is connected whenever there is a new message in WhatsApp. So when I execute the workflow, it will listen to any incoming messages. So in WhatsApp, in that WhatsApp channel. So when the agent is triggered, when there is a WhatsApp message, it will trigger and it will call the agent. So as you can see, there is the agent, and the agent has the query that is given in the WhatsApp. So the system messages, as you can see, here is a URL helpful assistant for customer queries from WhatsApp. There are instructions like use the get product details tool. The get product details tool is this one. It will fetch the product details. So it will get the product details tool to search and fetch the product detail required from the customer. or any let's say customer or manager. Let's say I want to update, so let's say the manager wants to update, and if there is a customer, the customer wants to just know about the details. So when using filters for searching, you only use these attributes: product name, product photo. These attributes, the attributes from the product table. I've used the attributes from the product table. So it will then use the create or update product tool to create or update the product record. So this will create or update the product record. So these two tools, get product details and create or update product, these are connected to this to this database. So this can this will get the product details. So your search tool for searching, filtering and filtering product record details. Okay. And the create or update tool will create or update. So the column matching is product name, price and description. This will be determined by the model, by the model that I'm connecting to, which is the Gemini Flash model. So then it will send the message back, so this message to my number. So this is how this simple query handling, WhatsApp query handling system is built, query handling agent. I hope you enjoyed this video. So in the next video I'll show or give another interesting demo of an interesting editor workflow. So stay tuned for that.